Okay, this is it. We're going to unbox the Digikeijs system that we got from Iron Planet in, I think, St. Louis. The DCC system for the layout. Check it out. See what we got. Okay. So, what we got is a DR5000. There's the brain of the system. Then we got a 5033 booster. Another 5033 booster. Another 5033 booster. And finally, another 5033 booster. That's what we got in the box. Alright, so let's open one each. Alright, let's open this guy. DR5000. If I can get it open. What do you need? You got locked on the inside or what? Oh, there we go. Okay, so it comes with a manual. Sweet. Look at this here. Now this is the brain of the system. Pretty cool. It plugs into Ethernet. This is going to be mounted on the wall next to a computer station dedicated just to this. However, being plugged in the network, all computers on the network will have access to it. I'm going to guess this is the power supply. Okay, so we got a USB cable. A regular old plain-Jane USB cable. Some kind of an adapter. Oh, the power adapter. Okay. We've got a power supply. Looks a lot like a computer power supply. And it's got, it's got a European cord. We don't need that. It's got a US cord. What the heck? It's got another one of them 220 cords in it. Well, evidently it comes with a bunch of cords. So, I guess this thing will work in any other country that I will never take it to. Let's see what's in the 5033 box. Yeah, here's the 5033. Look how small it is. It fits in my hand. Okay, DigiBoost. So the way this is going to work is, this is the computer. It'll be connected next to my actual computers. And then I'm not going to be using its track power. I'm going to use the programming track power to the workbench. The entire workbench will be a programming track. We got 4 of these, which will then power the layout. I've got the layout divided into 4 blocks to power these. And let me guess. A box with a power adapter. Oh man, look at that, a 220. Another European one. There's the one we need. And another power supply. So that is what's in the box of the Digikeijs. Now, I have prepared this thing. You can see here. I have prepared these. These control panels have a switch on the back. It's double pull, double throw, but I only need double pull, single throw. So when it's in the safe position down, the DigiBoost, the 5033s are completely electrically isolated. When you flip it up, which I got a really hard throw on these, that arms the system. And then I've got all the DC power packs are protected by the same thing for DC and DCC. So I'll show you more about how it gets installed later. But that's it. I opened the box, got the arm switches made, and we are ready to roll to install.